What up, boys and girls? Just got the XR6 back. Was in a bit of an accident. Got hit from the rear. Was about to go in for a wrap and got hit. So I just drove my back bar, hit it off, and hit it here, as well as ripping my spoiler off and taking a bit of damage there. Spoiler, they broke the clips on it. So, fun, and because no one can fix these aftermarket parts, I need to get new ones and replace them. But getting this off is harder than it looks because I glued the shit out of it on with some Cigar Flex, and today's journey is to get that off. I know there's a little bit of surface rust underneath it, so I need to grind that off as well on the actual main back bar, like structure, chassis. But see how we go. Got a new bar, ready to put back on. This is what she looks like now, with the back bar off on the ground. So got that off. Didn't really need to use the hot glue gun once I broke the seam. I kind of just lifted up right the way across, which is nice. It's all looking okay. It's not looking as bad as I thought. Doesn't look like there's much rust there at all. A little bit of surface rust. Yeah, nothing too major at all. So that's good. I know that I have some rust here that I need to get rid of. It's like some bog as well. But I think that was from the inside when I was trying to do a patch job. So now that I can get to it, I can grind this up, fix it a bit more, make it look a little bit better. I've just gone along and grinded all the parts that were a bit dirty. So gonna rust convert now throughout the entire back and bottom of it. Might hit it one more time in a few spots, but got all the stylastic off, all the Cigar Flex, all that stuff, and the back bar doesn't look anywhere near as bad as I thought it did. So the actual rail is solid. Just a few issues here, but that's not really doing anything. But I'm just going to wipe the spots down with some thinners, some paint prep essentially. Then I'm going to dose it with some Rust-Oleum. But before I do that, I might actually use a rust converter first, then use my Rust-Oleum, just in case. I don't want to be doing this in 5 years time, 10 years time. So yeah, that's the plan, Stan. And then I need to get a new bumper, put it back on. Let's roll. Now because this is all getting covered by the bar, I'm just going to give it a nice light drenching, a light drenching. Nice one. I'll probably do some welding. There's no real big holes, so big enough, but it's not on the chassis. Just to add a layer. So yeah, it's just the skin. So there we go. So all those spots are black and coated. Black coated. Did the undersides as well. Then I took a grinding wheel too. So now, like I said, paint's all screwed anyway. Clear's coming up. I've got tape marks on it, for God's sakes, when I got hit. But that's all good. It's all gonna get wrapped. Just remember this. Remember what it looks like when it's done. My Frankenstein car came up okay. Yeah. Put some bug in it. Not a lot. Literally just skimmed it. Actually a mil. It's the smallest bit I've ever done. So, didn't really even need it. I just being anal. So I'll go back and sand it. Give it a spray. Put the new bar back on. hook up the exhaust again. I'm going to change the tips out, and just like that, got the bar taped up, sticker flexed on. It's in the position I want it to be. This side is good. I guess I got this taped here and taped up, so the line's a little bit better here. So after this, I'll need to put these guards back in. They bolt onto the actual piece, which makes it a bit more rigid on both sides. I actually have one on the ground. No, where is it? It's in here. Looks like this. So that's going to go in that corner there, and then tighten up. Alright, Falcon seems to be stuck on, looking good. I just put a little exhaust tip on there. Looks better than it did. So that's a win. Gonna take the tape off, but I now need to take these off here. So I need to take this off because it is broken. Alright, got the battery started, took the back spoiler off, the rear spoiler. Kinda looks cool without it, but no, it needs to be on. My Frankenstein is full of these and ready to go. We'll check the water, check the oil. I've done the transmission already twice, full rebuilds in the last couple months. That's fine. Done the aircon, done most things. New windows, new glass all around it. Yeah, let's go.